Bitcoin is right now creating this dangerous signal on that 4-hourly time frame. Now, is this about to mean that we are about to reverse our trend back towards the downside or not? Because at the same time, we are developing a lot of liquidity towards the upside, and we are getting all of these bullish breakouts towards the upside right now. So we need to be talking about that exactly. But one thing is for sure, do not get fooled right now. So make sure to push up that like button, and as always, let's have a look into what's that imminent short term. And first of all, yes, I am actually still my Bitcoin trade, which is right now raking in 44k in a profit. And one thing that I did change right now is that I've entered my stop loss in a profit. So whatever happens for the Bitcoin price action right now, either way, I am going to be break even because yes, in that short term, we are right now developing this bearish divergence, which is going to be a top signal. We can clearly be seeing on the price action that we have created a higher high, while on the momentum indicator, on the RSI indicator, we have created a lower high. So this is diverging from each other. This is indicating a momentum loss. Now the question really is going to be, do we need to take this bearish divergence right now quite seriously or not? Because at the one side, we are getting these bullish breakouts towards the upside right now. We are developing a lot of liquidity towards the upside, and at the same time, also the Bitcoin funding rates are actually quite low. And what I can be seeing over on Twitter is that many people are right now worrying about this bearish divergence, and many people are right now calling a top over here, and that we are just going to be creating a lower high right now, and that we are going to be seeing this further correction back towards the downside. But because majority of the Bitcoin bears are right now actually thinking that we are going to be reversing back towards the downside, and at the same time, also, if we have a look into what's our breakouts, well, we are just getting some bullish continuations towards the upside. Just seeing very beautiful consolidation in between of this support and between of this resistance. And at the same time, majority of that liquidity is actually starting to build up on the top side, and Bitcoin usually moves towards a direction where that majority of the liquidity is sitting at, and right now definitely it is sitting at the top side, so most likely it is just going to be grabbing that liquidity towards the upside. On top of that, even the Bitcoin funding rates have decreased quite a little bit from yesterday, which is also looking very good. And it is undeniable that the longer term trend is just very bullish right now. So in my opinion, I'm not really going to be worried about this short-term top signal. Yes, maybe in the imminent short term, we can be seeing a little bit of a retracement back towards the downside, but I just think that we need to be having a look into what's the longer-term vision, and in the longer term, or maybe even the mid-term over here, we are just going to be reaching our target. So do not lose focus right now. I'm just going to be keeping my Bitcoin trade open because I think we are just going to be getting that another push towards the upside, like we have been discussing yesterday. I do think that anytime soon, we are just going to be seeing this continuation towards the upside. So do not get fooled right now. Now guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to check out that link down below, because you can right now be claiming this $40,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. Now if Bybit is not going to be available in your country, you can be checking out Femex or Deepcoin. On Femex, you can be claiming $8,800 in bonuses. And over on Deepcoin, if you deposit $100, you are going to be getting $220 for free. And this is basically just some free money you can be using and deploying inside of the market. You can be trading with this money for free, or you can even be buying some altcoins with it if you are not going to be interested in trading. So yeah, literally a no-brainer to be claiming that free money literally for free. Now, if you are not going to be using that link down below, well, you are only going to be receiving $400. So make sure to do use that link down below. Now, what is going to be next? Because of course, today it is a Friday. Tomorrow, we are going to be trading in a weekend, and we are coming very close towards our weekly candle close. And if we can be closing this weekly candle above that previous all-time high, well, just like last cycle, I just think we are going to be confirming this exponential rally towards the upside. If we are going to be closing above that previous all-time high, I think once again we are going to be going exponential. Now, I have been talking about this fact already for many times, but right now we are just coming so close, because literally in 2 days we are going to be closing our weekly candle. So if we are going to be closing it above that previous all-time high, that is going to be very, very bullish. But either way, I do think that we are going to be eventually going parabolic even more over here. We are going to be going absolutely exponential in my opinion. Something like this is going to be very likely to be happening actually. Also keep in mind, we are coming very close towards our Bitcoin halving. Only about 21 days left, literally only less than a month. And I've been screaming the last year to be preparing yourself for the Bitcoin halving. I've been saying it so many times, and right now we are coming this close. This is absolutely insane. But anyways, having a quick look into Ethereum, of course, yesterday I've been saying that Ethereum is also forming this ascending triangle, and maybe even Ethereum is a better bet to be trading right now than Bitcoin is, because this is just a beautiful pattern right now. We have a very good indication of what is about to happen next for Ethereum. If we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, well, I think we are going to be creating a massive breakout. Also, it is looking like Ethereum is about to outperform Bitcoin anytime soon. So possibly Ethereum is just going to be a better bet than trading Bitcoin right now. So make sure to be watching this closely, and guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.